In an era where most pickup trucks cost upwards of $50,000, Toyota is about to shock the entire automotive industry with a move nobody saw coming. Picture this, a brand new pickup truck starting at just $15,000. Yes, you heard that right, $15,000 for a brand new Toyota truck. The Hilux Champ is about to change everything we thought we knew about affordable pickups, and what I'm about to share will make your jaw drop. Before we dive into all the mind-blowing details about this game-changing truck, let me give you a quick teaser. This isn't just any small pickup, it's a Toyota, meaning it comes with the legendary reliability that's made the brand famous worldwide. We're talking about a truck that's already turning heads outside the US, carrying the legacy of the indestructible Hilux name, but reimagined for a whole new generation of truck buyers. But there's more to this story than just an incredible price tag. Toyota's CEO just dropped some news that has the entire automotive industry buzzing, and trust me, when you hear what this little truck can do, you'll understand why it's about to disrupt the entire pickup market. From its clever design to its impressive capabilities, the Hilux Champ is proof that affordable doesn't mean compromising on quality. Currently, you'll find the Hilux Champ turning heads in Thailand, while it goes by different names in other parts of Southeast Asia. They call it the Rangga in Indonesia and the Tamaro in the Philippines. But don't let this global presence fool you. When this truck hits the North American market, it's going to slot right under the Tacoma, offering something we haven't seen in ages. A truly affordable, practical pickup that prioritizes efficiency and simplicity over raw power and size. Now, you might be wondering, why is Toyota making this move right now? The answer is simple. There's an incredible opportunity in the US market. With truck prices skyrocketing and buyers crying out for more affordable options, the timing couldn't be better. The success of compact trucks like the Ford Maverick and Hyundai Santa Cruz has proven there's a huge appetite for smaller, more practical pickups. But Toyota's about to take things to a whole new level with the Hilux Champ's shocking price point. Let's talk about who this truck is really for. If you're a budget-conscious buyer looking for a practical daily driver, a small business owner who needs reliable transportation without the fancy bells and whistles, or maybe a young driver looking to enter the truck market, this could be your perfect match. The Hilux Champ is designed to be the answer to rising truck prices, offering a refreshing return to practicality in a market that's gone bigger and more expensive every year. One of the most exciting things about the Hilux Champ is its perfect sizing for city life. Let's face it, trying to park a full-size truck in urban areas can be a nightmare. With the standard wheelbase version measuring just 195 inches in length, that's 4 inches shorter than the Ford Maverick, this truck is going to make your life so much easier. But don't think this compact size means compromising on capability. The Champ is designed to handle everything from quick urban deliveries to weekend adventures off the beaten path. Speaking of configurations, Toyota is taking an interesting approach with the US market. While globally there are 3 different versions available, American buyers are likely to see a focus on the most efficient and practical variants. The chassis cab version, measuring just 185 inches in length, is particularly intriguing because it's the model that will hit that incredible $15,000 starting price point. Of course, Toyota knows American buyers expect their trucks to come with factory-installed beds, so they'll be adapting the design accordingly. Let's talk power, because this is where things get really interesting. The global market gets 3 engine options, and while we won't see the diesel version in the States, what's coming instead might be even better. The base model features a 2.0-liter gas engine pushing out 137 horsepower and 135 pound-foot of torque, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Want more punch? There's also a 2.7-liter option that bumps those numbers up to 165 horsepower and 181 pound-foot of torque. But here's the exciting part. Toyota is likely to offer a hybrid powertrain specifically for the US market, which could deliver impressive fuel economy while maintaining the truck's impressive 5,500-pound towing capacity. Now, let's address that incredible $15,000 price tag, because there's more to the story here. This figure applies to the base chassis cab configuration, which is essentially a blank canvas for buyers who want to customize their truck for specific needs. While this opens up amazing possibilities for commercial users, most buyers will likely opt for more equipped versions that'll cost more. But here's the thing, even with added features, this truck is positioned to significantly undercut the competition. The Hilux Champ is entering the US market at a crucial moment, potentially creating an entirely new subcategory in the compact pickup segment. While the Ford Maverick and Hyundai Santa Cruz have proven there's demand for small trucks, Toyota's taking things a step further by offering an even more affordable option. The standard wheelbase model, at 195 inches long, puts it right in the sweet spot, slightly smaller than the current compact trucks, but still perfectly practical for most users. Here's what makes this announcement truly revolutionary. Toyota isn't just launching another truck, they're potentially reshaping the entire market. By offering a pickup at this price point, they're challenging the notion that trucks have to be expensive to be practical. The Hilux Champ could become the perfect solution for buyers who've been priced out of the truck market in recent years. Before we wrap up, here's something to think about. Could this be the beginning of a new era in the truck market? With Toyota making such a bold move, we might see other manufacturers forced to reconsider their pricing strategies. This could lead to more affordable options across the board, making truck ownership accessible to a whole new generation of buyers. That's all for today's exciting news about Toyota's game-changing pickup truck. What do you think about the Hilux Champ and its incredible price point? Would you consider one as your next vehicle? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this information valuable, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.